Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
This guide explains how to change language settings in Microsoft Office 2010. Follow clear steps for display, help, and proofing languages. First, confirm your Office 2010 edition and Windows language settings. Check if you already have the required language pack or proofing tools installed. Some languages require downloading a language pack from Microsoft. Language packs vary by language and may be 32-bit or 64-bit specific. Keep your product key and administrative rights ready before installing anything. Open any Office 2010 application like Word to change proofing language. Click File, then Options, and choose Language from the menu. Under Editing Languages, click Add to select your desired language. If the language shows proofing not installed, click the link to download proofing tools. Download the matching 32-bit or 64-bit proofing installer for Office 2010. Run the installer as an administrator and follow the prompts to install proofing support. Return to Language Options and confirm the new language shows proofing installed. To change display and help languages, open File, Options, then Language in any Office app. Under Choose Display and Help Languages, select your preferred language and click Set as Default. If your preferred language is not listed, download and install the Office 2010 language pack for that specific language and architecture. After installation, reopen Language Settings to move the new language to the top. Finally, close all Office programs and restart Windows to ensure display and help languages apply correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.